Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you need to remove or replace cigarette lighter sockets, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. We're going to explain for the front one, the main one, but if you have one in the armrest lid, okay, the procedure about removing the actual socket will be about the same. So stay with us, we will show you how to do that on the front main cigarette lighter socket, also known as power outlet, guys. Sometimes they quit working, sometimes you need to replace them. Now, it is a little bit of a complicated procedure. We'll take a few things apart and we'll explain why as we go, guys. So, quick introduction. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So, please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do. Also, if you need to buy car parts, tools, guys, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can save money on car parts and tools, guys, and where you can get them from for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So this is, guys, the cigarette lighter socket, okay, right here, out of 2000, okay, this is a 2015 Dodge Dart. We'll show you, okay, this is the one in the center on the dash, okay, right there. So stay with us, we'll show you what we need to do, how to get to it and how to remove it. So let's start on it now. So what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, we need to get a 7mm socket. This is, guys, 7mm. Okay, let me focus here quick. This is a 7mm socket right here with the electric screwdriver, so it can save us a little bit of time. And if you come under the steering wheel right here, there is one screw that we need to remove. Okay, you can see this one here. Perfect. Okay, this one's coming out. Now, what else we need to do? Right here, guys, okay, we have one cover that we need to pry open. I would recommend to use only plastic panel removal tools. We have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, what you're going to do, you need to get underneath. Okay, let me pass the camera quick here so I don't drop that thing. Perfect. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that we need to remove. So with that being said, guys, what else we have? Here we have one more bolt that we're going to remove. Then we have one more over there. Things started looking better now. What else we need to do, guys? Okay, right here I'm going to get the panel removal tool. And okay, we're going to pry here a few clips open. Perfect. Now I'll come on this side over there. Let me just see. Okay, it will take me just 1 second. Okay, perfect. And that trim piece, okay, came out just like that, guys. You can see all the way loose. So next step, guys, once you get that piece loose, okay, why we needed to do all that, because right here underneath you have one bolt, okay, that we'll need to remove. That bolt is with 7mm, guys, 7mm socket. Okay, so let's go ahead, get it loose. Perfect. Okay, check it out. Now with that being removed, guys, I'm going to turn, okay, I'm going to actually put the car, okay, turn the ignition on, put the car, okay, neutral. I'll put the emergency brake on, okay, all the way. And now we will open the glove box, guys, and here you have a few clips that you need to go ahead and pull. Okay, check it out now. Okay, and looks like nothing's holding on this side. I think we just have clips, guys, holding everything in place. Perfect. You can see how tight everything is. Okay, extremely tight. Now we need to, guys, disconnect the cables. How we do that? Okay, right here we push in and we slide that blue piece over. Okay. We almost hit it, guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I can actually. Okay, check it out now. You just need to press the center piece in. Okay, there is like a tooth. Okay, now slide it over. Okay, like that. Pull it out. Now on the bottom we have the socket here. Okay, you can see that socket for the cigarette lighter. Press in the middle. Okay, right here. Disconnect it, guys. Now that piece we can get it out. what I'll do, I'll just go ahead, put it in park, make sure that you don't roll on a hill or anything, turn the ignition off, guys. The safest thing, actually, even removing those so you don't burn anything electronic wise, you can override the switch, okay, to put it in neutral, okay, without starting the car. We have a video how to do that. Just search on our channel for Dodge Dart stuck in park, how to put in neutral, and you can find out, guys. But you have to be extremely careful not to roll on a hill. Make sure your emergency brake works. Put tire chokes so you don't roll on a hill or something like that. And let's continue now with the next step. So now, guys, cigarette lighter socket, why we needed to remove it, because here we'll need to push things out from the back side. The only part that will come out first, guys, is that metal socket, guys. You have two clips right here, one over there, one over here. So you need to push them in with a screwdriver, okay, on each side, and pull it out, guys. Now, okay, let me explain you quick here. Okay, this is, guys, the socket. I will be able to explain a little bit better here now. The metal things that go in here, guys, okay, you can see one, okay, one clip right here that we pressed in from underneath, or we can gently bend it a little bit, and one on this side as well. And you can see the cigarette lighter socket comes out. Now if you need to replace the ring itself, okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of good vision here. All we have to do, press the clip in now. Okay, and you have one more right here. Let me show you now. Okay, one right here. You have one on top, and then you come in an angle. Okay. Almost coming out. Let me see now if this piece, okay, this piece comes apart, guys. That plastic piece, it has two clips, okay. This is just to hold the cigarette lighter in place. Ah, it snapped in place. I got it out, guys. Almost get it out again. But you get the idea, guys. I mean, it's not much left, or you can just bend it like that and it comes out this way too. So you can see the whole cigarette lighter assembly comes out just like that. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.